Hello guys! Today I'm going to show you how to add Modpacks to SKLauncher. So first head over to Google and type in Minecraft Modpacks. Select the first link here on Google. Now select the modpack that you want to download. Example, we're going to choose this one. Click on Download. Wait for the download to be completed. It will take a minute. Now after the download has successfully completed, just head over to your computer and search for SKLauncher. Tap on it, wait it to be open. Now after SKLauncher has successfully opened, click on the Installations Manager and click on Import Modpack. Select the file that we just downloaded here, click on Open, and wait it to be executed in your SKLauncher. And this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.